Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1966 Pontiac GTO. This is an original 242 GOAT, guys. Great car. I originally bought this car about 5 years ago from a local man. My buddy Greg's the one who actually found this car for me. Older man who had owned this car for 30 plus years. Unfortunately, he got some, as a flag hits me in the face here, unfortunately he had some health problems, and that's why he actually sold it. But great car. Then I actually sold it, and I actually just bought it back. But great car. He went out to California, this original California car, bought this car and brought it back. It's probably a it's a 25-year-old restoration now. Because when I originally bought it, it was a 20-year-old resto. But when it was restored, there wasn't a lot of, it's been repainted. Matter of fact, it's Montero red. The original color was candlelight cream, but that's the original vinyl top on it from 1966. A lot of the trim's original. The interior is all original. It's a factory 389 car, 4-barrel car, factory 4-speed, but he added the tri-power. But like I say, just a real nice car. Again, it's an older resto, so you can nitpick some little things on the car. There's a couple of little, stone packs. But man, I'm telling you, outstanding car. I wouldn't touch this car. Turn the key and go have some fun. A couple of the original T3 headlights. He's definitely had to either re-chrome those bumpers or put new bumpers on it. Car's got really nice paint. Clean, straight, original body panels. Again, this is the original vinyl top from 1966, guys. And one thing I can tell you about this car, it runs and drives excellent. I mean, look, there's no bubbling, nothing. Shifts out good, just drives out like a dream. Sorry about the shadow here. We getting that time of year. Look how nice. I mean, he's definitely had to replace this stuff. I love the eyebrow tail lights in 66. Painted on pinstripe, guys. Again, look how nice those quarter extensions are. Car is nice and flat down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got 15-inch torque thrust Ds. Car is clean as can be underneath. Again, all original floors, trunk pan. Look at the car down the side, man. That is a pretty goat. Got all the original Protecto plate owner's manuals for it. I've got the PHS documentation for the car. Factory drum brakes, just like it would have came. This car looks like it belongs on Woodward Avenue on a Friday night. Again, factory 4-barrel car. He is upgraded to a tri-power power steering. It's got stock exhaust manifolds. Of course, it's got the chrome air cleaners and valve covers. Stock Harrison radiator with a shroud. It's a Muncie M20 4-speed manual transmission. Really pretty car. And like I say, just hits the road as good as can be. it's just a little wind's whipping, and what a car, man. Great car. Stainless is nice. Original chrome mirror. You can pick it a little bit. A little ding. But again, I wouldn't touch anything on this car. Original door handles. They've definitely replaced those door rubbers. Bottoms of the doors are nice and clean. And again, this is the original interior. Original carpet, original sill plates. It's got the Fisher body seats, or seat belts in it. Bucket seats, factory console. It's got the wood grain dash. Look how nice that doggone steering wheel is. Hearse shifter. Now, this car is just nice. Showing 29,000. I'm sure that's 129. Factory tach, rally dash car. AM radio. It doesn't work. The blower motor works. I know the parking brake works. Dual exhaust. It's a factory 10-bolt 355 safety track. Jack and spare here in the trunk. Just a little wax, I guess. There's your original numbers on your quarters. Again, that's just a little wax for my guys. Again, original number on your quarter. Original owner's manuals, the original Protecto plate for the car. Again, it's all spackle coated in here. Car is just rock solid. Very, very nice car. And like I say, drives just as good as it looks. You know, I'm going to go back here and show you one thing though. There was a little, a little split in the vinyl top. Again, it's not rusted. There's no, just a little split in it. Again, I wouldn't mess with it. Leave it alone. Car's nice and clean underneath. How flat that car is. This guy loved this car, man. I mean, he didn't own it, he loved it. Maintained this car, and I sold it to a really good guy out of Wisconsin. He's bought several cars from me. And he's kind of reducing his collection a little bit, so I bought it back. Look how nice the wood grain is. Yeah, little light in there works. Great car. Dual chrome mirrors. Now this one looks new, or newer, I should say. Runs and drives as sweet as can be, man. That iconic GTO front end with the stacked headlights. Tach works. Car holds great oil pressure. Just a good car. Oh, we got a light out. I'll check that. One of our balls. Probably touch it, it'll come back on. Give it a rev, Jordan. No on the radio. I know the blower motor works. Doors open and close real nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. It's a great way to keep in touch with my new stuff, guys. Touch up mark right there.